everybody! Today's recipe is very easy and simple. The Gim-muchim, seasoned seaweed. You know the seaweed? Seaweed paper. When you make kimbap, seaweed rice rolls, you need this gim. Here you go. This gim I always keep in the freezer. But also you can make a delicious side dish in maybe in 2 minutes. So easy. Once I run out of my gim, I gotta buy new. Usually I buy 100 sheets of gim and I freeze this, and sometimes I make a kimbap. Sometimes, just like today, I make a really quick side dish. Let's get started. First, we gotta need 10 sheets of gim. Okay, this is 10 sheets of gim. And squeeze out all air. And then freeze this again. This is raw dried gim, seaweed paper, but we gotta cook this. So how can we roast, toast? You can use a large skillet. I just heated my skillet like this. And see, color changed into green. Toast really crunchy, all both sides. And then add another gim. And then turn over. Yeah, see, color turns green. You can use a skillet like this, but my usual way is I use a direct flame. Medium heat. And like this, slowly swipe, like this. So we toast very nicely with a direct flame. Smells really good. And here and this. And then put this from the front to the back. And then do this same thing. So see, again. So this method is really good. I always use this method, so quick. But kind of little challenging is that little hot, so I can endure some heat, so because I've been cooking for a long time. I'm sure some of you guys the same thing. So if you can do it. Seaweed smell like ocean smell, kind of really burnt smell. I love this. So my 8 sheets of gim is very crispy, and now 2 more, so 10. I'll put them here, and then I'll make a seasoning sauce. 2 garlic cloves. Let's smash garlic. I got this knife when I visited Korea, and this part in the traditional knife, kind of flat, so I can smash garlic so easily. And then green onion. Garlic and green onion. Let's add soy sauce. Soy sauce, this is a dark soy sauce. 진간장, 1 tablespoon. And sesame oil, same amount, 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon sugar. But sugar is optional. If you don't want to eat sugar, don't add. 1 teaspoon sugar. And sesame seeds, around 1 tablespoon. Just mix together. This is really delicious. Not spicy at all. But if you want to add some hot pepper flakes, you can do that. But I don't add hot pepper flakes. Okay, so just mix all together. And then time for gim. So crunchy gim. And then what I'm doing is, I just tear this. Tear into really small pieces like this. Wow, nice smell, kim smell. So everything is happening in one bowl. See, we don't need anything else. Usually I use my bare hand, but I feel like using this my glove. Mix well so that all seasoning sauce is distributed evenly. Nice. Sesame oil makes it so good. More sesame seeds. My rice. And I have only kimchi at home. What should I do? I can add this Gim-muchim, just like this. And at least 2 side dishes. You can eat your one meal like this. My fermented kimchi, well fermented. Always rice. So delicious. This Gim-muchim is well known as 밥도둑. 밥도둑 is rice thief because it's so delicious. So you are supposed to eat a lot of rice. Rice in Korean culture is very important. Something make you really eat a lot of rice, that means good. And also I used to make this lunchbox, Korean doshira, popular side dish for lunchbox. When you open your doshira, it smells, ocean smell, so good, like standing out. Already boost my appetite. Just make a simple meal like this. Today we made kim-muchim, seasoned gim. Gim is seaweed paper. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.